for a life characterized by unencumbered freedom and adventure. The present-day housing market is currently characterized by a compelling fusion of historical appreciation for bygone aesthetics and the pragmatic dictates of streamlined, simple dwelling, an outstanding convergence epitomized by the surging interest in relocatable homes styled after the mid-century period. This rapidly growing movement is far more significant than a passing flair for retro design. It represents a highly refined engineering achievement. The core architectural doctrines of the notably optimistic and strictly utilitarian mid-century modern MCM era, dominant stylistic influence spanning approximately 2 decades from the mid-1940s, have undergone a fundamental recontextualization to flourish within the spatial limitations and inherent portability offered by miniature vehicle-mounted housing. The foundational principles of the MCM movement, including its celebrated clean, unadorned shapes, organic and naturalistic forms, and the deliberate connection between indoor spaces and the surrounding exterior environment, proves remarkably complementary to the strict spatial requirements of a compact home, thereby enabling contemporary fabricators to build residencies that successfully project an aura of vast light and intrinsic sophistication, simultaneously affording owners the singular luxury of effortless geographic mobility. These diminutive, rolling manifestations of MCM genius routinely showcase key architectural characteristics that immediately ground the occupant in the celebrated lineage of post-war American design. This unwavering commitment to period authenticity is frequently realized through the generous and strategic incorporation of minimally treated, natural timber surfaces with pale, fine-grained birch or rich, deep-toned teak veneer being particularly favored, contributing a pronounced sense of tactile comfort and visual complexity that perfectly aligns with the MCM period's reverence for elemental, unadulterated textures. Furthermore, the careful incorporation of expansive, transparent panels, often presented as a long, horizontal ribbon of clear-story glazing